how to find the hometown settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find hometown settings. First open hometown and then click on your profile here, then click these 3 points and click edit profile, then scroll down, click profile, and now once you're here, all you need to do just scroll down and here we'll find your hometown, and here you can add your hometown and just add any hometown you want and save it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.